Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're looking at a replacement water reservoir for your Keurig K-Slim single serving coffee maker. That's what this is. This is what it looks like here. This holds 42 ounces. I just want you to see what it looks like. Here is the bottom part here. This part here, what happens when you fill up the water, the reason why it doesn't leak, there's a little plunger here. This plunger stops the water from leaking. As soon as you place it down on the unit, it presses it in, and then the water is released and goes into your coffee maker. So that's how that works. As you can see, it's all high quality acrylic plastic. Made very, very well. This is for your single serving coffee makers, so your Keurig. And again, holds 42 ounces of water. And just remember, when you have these, you should hand wash these. Do not put these in the dishwasher. That's very important to know. And then all in all, it's a fantastic item. It works great, and it just slides right in. And you know what? I even have a couple of these. That way you have a backup. That way you don't have to worry about running to the faucet or to the sink. Sometimes if you have your coffee maker at a different location where there's no water, you can have, one or two of these filled up. Just swap them out, and that way you don't have to run to the water and fill it up and just wait. This way you can just pop it in and you're good to go. Or if you're having a lot of company over, it's always good to get a couple of these. That way you don't have to worry about that. Just pop it in and go. That's just another little tip I have for you. So that's what it is. Just a quick review, show you what it looks like. It is all made out of acrylic, holds 42 ounces, and don't forget, hand wash only. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to follow the channel for more. Make it a great day.